Go! Bye, Will! Ready? Hold on tight. You gotta hold on, baby. Don't let go. She gets so tiny. We're up on the football terraces sledding because it's a snow day and kids did not have school. I'm very bundled up. Hello. I came to the bottom of the terrace and I fell and it hurt, but I wanted to get a video of the kids coming down. It's really fun. There's so much snow. Why? Are you lonely? Get back up there. I really haven't checked in much today. I've just been trying to get orders out the door and catch up after we went sledding, which was really fun. I'm really glad that I took a break to go with them. It was actually the kids' first time sledding, so we just hadn't really had very snowy winters, or if we did in years past, there seemed to always be something going on and then it would melt. So anyway, tonight we have to go to get our hair cut. Well, I'm not getting my hair cut. The kids and Adam have to go get their hair cut at a new stylist that we've never been to before, but it is out of town. I think the roads are okay. They were sort of okay when we went sledding earlier, so we're gonna do that, and when we get home we'll probably order pizza.